What are the 5 nutritious green smoothie recipes? Green smoothies are a healthy way to enrich your diet with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all in a single refreshing drink. These nutritious beverages are not only great for your health, but also easy to prepare, making them a perfect option for busy mornings, post-workout recovery, or an afternoon energy boost. In this video, we'll look at 5 delicious and nutritious green smoothie recipes that combine fresh ingredients for both flavor and health benefits. Whether you're new to green smoothies or looking to refresh your routine, these recipes will inspire you to blend your way to better health. Watch until the end to learn why green smoothies are worth it. The 5 nutritious green smoothie recipes. 1. Tropical green smoothie. This smoothie is like a vacation in a glass. It blends spinach, frozen mango, pineapple, and a splash of coconut water. The tropical fruits mask the spinach taste, creating a naturally sweet drink rich in vitamin C and potassium. Add a spoonful of chia seeds for omega-3 fatty acids, and you've got a healthy breakfast or snack. 2. Creamy avocado and kale smoothie. Looking for something creamy yet a source of nutrients? Combine kale, half an avocado, almond milk, and a banana. This smoothie is rich in healthy fats, fiber, and calcium. For a touch of appetite, squeeze in some fresh lime juice. The avocado makes this smoothie velvety, while the banana adds natural sweetness. 3. Refreshing cucumber mint cooler. On warm days, this hydrating smoothie is a game changer. Blend cucumber, fresh mint leaves, spinach, and green apple with a splash of lemon juice. The combination is light, crisp, and incredibly refreshing. Cucumber and mint are known for their cooling properties, while green apple adds a tart, fruity kick. 4. Sweet berry spinach blend. If you're hesitant about green smoothies, this recipe is a gentle introduction. Pair spinach with a mix of frozen berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. The berries mask the spinach taste, giving you a dessert-like smoothie rich in antioxidants and protein. 5. Matcha green energy booster. For those who need a little caffeine pick-me-up, try this matcha-infused smoothie. Combine matcha powder, spinach, frozen banana, unsweetened almond milk, and a drizzle of honey. Matcha provides a gentle energy lift without the crash, while spinach and banana offer potassium and iron. This smoothie is perfect for starting your day or fighting the afternoon fatigue. Why green smoothies are worth it. Each of these recipes is not just delicious, but also rich in health benefits. From promoting better digestion to boosting your energy levels and supporting your immune system, green smoothies are an effortless way to improve your overall health. They're also incredibly versatile. You can mix and match ingredients to suit your taste or dietary needs. So what are you waiting for? Grab your blender, choose a recipe, and start drinking healthy smoothies for a healthier you. Your body will thank you. Watch the next video for more nutritional and health tips. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel.